Next problem is find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. See here. So, they given find the point which is lies on the x-axis. If any point lies on the x-axis, its y coordinate should be 0. Remember, its y coordinate should be 0. So, here we have to find out which point is lies on the x-axis. So, we don't know so which point. Because of that reason, we took as K. Okay, K is a point which is lies on the x-axis. We have to find out the value of K. This point is located equal distance from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Okay. So, consider first point, this is A. So, this point is lies on the x-axis and another point which is lies on this point B. So, this point is located in fourth quadrant. So, this point is B. B is 2, minus 5. So, first find out the distance between these two points, that is AB. AB is A is K, 0. B is 2, minus 5. So, AB is square root of, we know that distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, here x2 is 2, x1 is k. So, 2 minus k whole square plus y2 is minus 5, y1 is 0, minus 5 whole square. So, 2 minus k whole square plus minus 5 whole square is 25. Okay. Consider next point, that is A and C. Okay, A and C. Here A is k, 0, C is minus 2, 9. So, here also find out distance between these two points. It is AC is equal to square root of, here x2 is minus 2, x1 is k, minus 2 minus k whole square plus y2 is 9, y1 is 0, 9 minus 0 whole square. So, minus 2 minus k whole square plus 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 square is 81. So, from the formula they already told this point, that is x-axis. This point is lies equal distance from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. So, that the distance between these 2 points are equal. So, here write that these distance are equal. So, that AB is equal to AC. Okay. Here AB is 2 minus k whole square plus 25, BAC is square root of minus 2 minus k whole square plus 81. So, now squaring on both sides, means squaring on both sides. So, this square and square root is cancelled. Similarly, here also square and square root is cancelled out. So, we get 2 minus k whole square plus 25 and here minus 2 minus k whole square plus 81. So, see this one. So, this is 2 minus k whole square is in the form a minus b whole square. We know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square plus, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, here a is 2, b is k, 2 square plus k square minus 2 into k plus 25. Here, this one is also a plus b or a minus b. So, here we applying a plus b whole square. So, here a is minus 2, b is minus k. So, here a square is minus 2 whole square plus b square is minus k whole square plus 2 into a is minus 2, b is minus k. So, plus 81. So, here 2 square is 4 plus k square is k, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into k is 4k minus 4k plus 25 is equal to minus 2 square is plus 4, minus k whole square is plus k whole square, minus into minus here plus. So, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into k is 4k plus 81. So, here plus 4, so cancelled out, plus k square here and plus k square here, so cancelled out, but here minus k, here plus 4k. Just shifting this minus 4k to the right hand side. So minus 4k becomes plus 4k. So 4k plus 4k is equal to, so shifting this plus 81 to the LHS. Okay, this plus 81 becomes minus 81. So 4k plus 4k is 8k is equal to 25 minus 81 is minus 56. So 8 ones are 8 sevens are. So k is minus 7. So the required points which is lies on the x-axis is minus 7 comma 0. Here y coordinate is 0. Remember that if any point is lies on the x-axis, here the y coordinate should be 0. If any point is lies on the y-axis, if the point is lies on the y-axis, so here x coordinate is 0. For example, if you take it as a k and x coordinate is 0, that is 0 comma k. Okay.